All right, guys, so I'm looking forward for today's pasta. It's spaghetti with aglio, olio, taralli, toasted, and anchovies. Let's go. The ingredient for today: anchovies, garlic, peperoncino, red pepper flakes, extra virgin olive oil, taralli. If you don't have taralli, breadcrumbs, and a little bit of parsley. All right, let's go. For this recipe, we're gonna use taralli. They're from Puglia. They're fantastic appetizer, just like little bread. You keep eating and eating and eating, but they also make very good breadcrumbs. These taralli are olive oil flavor. You can buy fennel flavor, rosemary, or peperoncino. I recommend either the simple olive oil or the red pepper, the spicy one. Okay? This is what we're gonna do with the taralli. I'm gonna take a piece of paper. This is like a homemade remedy. Your taralli here. You go like that, and then you go bam, 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 bam. No, slowly, guys. All right. There we go. Look at this. Wonderful. Now, first thing, we're going to toast this a little bit. Tostiamo tarallino, e voilà, le taralli tostato. Once we toast it a little bit, we're gonna put it back into a little pot. Some extra virgin olive oil, garlic, anchovies, peperoncino, cooking water, and we're ready. That's it, finita. Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da! Spaghetti. We're gonna break the spaghetti. No, never break the spaghetti. We're just gonna drop the spaghetti and we're gonna salt the water. Oh, magic. And we're gonna taste the water. Oceano, yes. Let the spaghetti cook for, this says 9 minutes, but this is what we're gonna do. Remove the spaghetti before, and we're gonna finish the spaghetti inside our pan by the method of bing, boom, bang. We're gonna remove our pasta on the side and keep going with the sauce here. The spaghetti 3 minutes to al dente, so we're gonna finish cooking that in its own sauce. And voila, some Italian parsley, very nice. And we're gonna add this parsley in the sauce, in the pasta. And we're also gonna add a little bit of breadcrumbs. At this point, cooking water. More olive oil. This is also how you make a nice aglio olio. This becomes very creamy, you see. In this case, the breadcrumbs also helps to make it creamier. Bing, boom, bang. Wow, look at that. Bing, boom, bang. Look at this. Now we're ready to plate it. All the sauce there. Some of the anchovies. Some of the breadcrumbs. Wow, wonderful. That's our spaghetti, aglio olio, taralli toasted, and anchovies. Buon appetito. Before we start eating it, I'm just going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, garlic aglio olio, pangrattato di taralli, and anchovies. Sentiamo, let's see. Looks good. Good. I don't want to use bad words, but you know, like those words that start with F. But this is good. Borti Pasta Bar, Miami, okay? Best pasta in the world. Ciao.